Hello and welcome to our channel, where we discuss all things related to sustainable living. Today, we're going to talk about how to start a plastic recycling business. What is plastic recycling? Plastic recycling is the process of collecting and reprocessing plastic waste into new products. This involves sorting, cleaning, and processing the plastic waste to remove impurities and contaminants, and then melting it down and shaping it into new products. Recycling plastic reduces the amount of plastic waste that ends up in landfills or oceans, conserves natural resources, and reduces the energy required to create new plastic products from virgin materials. Plastic recycling is an important aspect of sustainable waste management and is becoming increasingly popular as people become more aware of the environmental impact of plastic waste. Is a plastic recycling business profitable? The profitability of a plastic recycling business can vary depending on a number of factors, such as the location of the business, the cost of raw materials, the availability of buyers for the recycled plastic, and the efficiency of the recycling process. However, in general, plastic recycling can be a profitable business. This is because recycled plastic can be sold at a lower cost than virgin plastic, making it an attractive option for buyers looking to reduce their cost. Additionally, there's a growing demand for recycled plastic as more companies and consumers seek out sustainable alternatives to single-use plastic products. With careful planning, efficient operations, and a focus on quality, a plastic recycling business can be a profitable and socially responsible venture. Plastic waste is a growing problem in the world, with millions of tons of plastic ending up in landfills and oceans every year. Recycling plastic not only helps to reduce waste, but can also generate a profit. So, how do you get started? Step 1. Research and planning. The first step is to research and plan your business. You need to identify the type of plastic you want to recycle and find out what the demand is for the recycled material. You should also consider the cost of setting up and operating the business, as well as the environmental regulations and permits required in your area. Step 2. Find a location. Once you have done your research, you need to find a suitable location for your recycling plant. Ideally, you should look for a location close to the source of plastic waste and with easy access to transportation. Step 3. Acquire equipment and materials. You will need to purchase the necessary equipment to sort, clean, and process the plastic. You can find suppliers for this equipment online or by attending industry conferences. You will also need to acquire the plastic waste to recycle, which can be obtained from waste management companies or local businesses. Step 4. Hire employees. To run a successful plastic recycling business, you will need to hire employees with experience in the industry. You should look for individuals with expertise in operating the equipment, sorting and processing plastic, and managing the day-to-day operations of the plant. Step 5. Market your business. Finally, you need to market your business to potential customers. This can be done by attending trade shows, networking with local businesses, and creating a website to showcase your services. Starting a plastic recycling business can be a profitable and rewarding venture. By following these steps, you can create a successful business while also helping to reduce plastic waste and promote sustainability. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more sustainable living tips and advice.